अरे यार इतना बढ़िया ना था तेरे Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to teach you how you can automate your message in any messenger app. So let's dive into code. So here I'm using PyCharm and creating one new project. New project here. Send message to in any app. So for this what I'm going to do, I'm going to make one using one package in Python which is auto GUI, which will control our cursor and our keyboard. So in every particular time it will send the message to a particular person. So you can use any messenger app here like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, anything you can use here.
2,000 years later. One eternity later.
So now I'm just removing all the things here and installing that package, which is pip install py auto GUI. And I'm making one loop here which will run infinite times. So what I'm going to do here, py auto GUI dot type write. So suppose you will type any message here like, hey bro, what's up? So make sure your cursor should be in that particular chat where you want to send the message. So I will do like, and next step I have to like press enter. Now just run the program and check here. Yeah, hey bro, what's up? So you can see it is sending the message very rapidly, but the main thing, if you are programmer, you should make it very realistic. So what we are going to do here, we are going to give some time. So after some particular time it will send the message. So what we are going to use here, we are just stopping this program here, but we are using here importing time. So here I'm giving one time like time dot sleep. So in every 10 second it will send this, it will press this enter key, so it will look more realistic. अरे यार इतना बढ़िया ना था तेरे So here what we are going to do, we are giving some particular time. So in every 10 second it will press the enter key here. So I'm running this program now. Now you can see, hey bro, WhatsApp is typed. Now it will send in every 10 second. So it will show more realistic. Suppose your girlfriend is angry with you and she wants that you need to type 1000 times sorry. So if you are a very good programmer, you can use this trick. You just need to run this program and just chill. I hope you are liking this type of video. If you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video.